A money market account is a special type of savings vehicle offered by banks that balances interest earnings with access to your cash. Often abbreviated as an MMA, this account acts like a hybrid between a standard savings account and a checking account. Like regular bank deposits, these accounts are typically insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, making them a very safe place for cash. You get a better interest rate than a typical savings account, plus the ability to write checks or use a debit card for transactions. The main difference is liquidity. Money market accounts offer more ways to spend your money directly compared to a traditional savings account. While rates fluctuate based on Federal Reserve policy, money market accounts generally offer competitive yields compared to basic checking or standard savings options. It is a popular choice for emergency funds because your money is safe, earns interest, and remains accessible if you have an unexpected expense. Check with your bank to see if an MMA fits your financial goals. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more money basics.